Good evening. Hello, my dear student. I'm so happy to talk with you again, and I want to help you as much as I can. So please be attention with you and bring your pens and books and notebook with you. Let's start our lesson now. Here we receive in the unit 2 in the season and natures, unit 2. The first lesson or the lesson 1, it's the title of it, the season of the year. The seasons of the year. Lesson 1, page 20. Lesson 1, page 20. Lesson 1, the season of the year. We have here 3 words. You can please write it by the date of today, the 2nd of February. The weather words and months and season. Here we have 3 words, weather words, months and season. Weather words, months and season. The first word, it's called the weather words. What do you mean by weather words? كلمات الطقس أو كلمات خاصة بالجو. الكلمات اللي خاصة بالجو, like here, when you come to your course book, page 20, you can find here the weather words. The weather words like cold, snow, warm, rain, sunny, hot, cold, and windy. Please follow me, please. This is the weather words. Weather words. Here, the same is cold, snow, warm, rain, sunny, hot, cold, and windy. Cold, snow, warm, rain, sunny, hot, cold, and windy. Okay. This is words. Some of these words are verbs. The verb like snow and rain. Snow and rain. Sometimes it's come verb and sometimes it's come nouns. Rain and snow. But here we have some words, it's come noun, just like wind. Like wind without Y. Wind. Windy, it's adjective. Windy, it's adjective. What will the weather be like in London tomorrow? What will the weather be like in London tomorrow? Tomorrow it will be cloudy. This is the answer. With some rain in the morning, and afternoon it will be dry and sunny. Yes. Tom and Susan go to school in London. What do you think they will wear tomorrow morning? توم وسوزان إلى مدرسة في العاصمة لندن. ماذا تعتقد أنهم سيرتدون غدا؟ شن بيلبسوا غدوة في المدرسة? Because it's very cold. So what do you want to choose for their clothes? Okay, so all of this you can answer it alone, please, and write down here. I have an empty space. Now, do exercise C and D, the same page 14, as a homework in your workbook, just in workbook. Okay, inshallah. Let's listen. We are answer with you all the question in section C and section D at the same page 14. Okay,